guys, it's Stamp with Lisa Marie, and I'm here doing cards in the car. Alyssa just went into therapy. It's spring break, but they're still having therapy today, so that's kind of cool. Gave her something to do. I'm gonna make this really cute card today. It's a fun little fold. So here it is. I'll show you. Hopefully it's going the right. And look at it, just flaps open just like that. How sweet is that? Super simple, easy to duplicate. You can make a bunch of these, and it would be really quick to do. All right, so this paper, that's what I was gonna tell you about. I can't even think of the name of it now. Let me look, because I have a little thing in here. Oh, maybe I don't. I think I lied. It's part of Celebration, and let me see if it's in this one. I don't think it is. It's in the second one that I didn't bring with me. Yes, maybe, nope. Celebration. It is this one. Here it is, Painted Seasons. So there's a Painted Seasons bundle that you can get this pack of paper and the stamp set up here all together with a $100 order. But they just added into the $50 section. So when you spend $50, you can get just the designer series paper, and it's just really cute paper. Look at those little mushrooms. Aren't they just cute? And on the other side, I think, let's see, what is it? I think it's like a Poppy Parade, kind of a coral color. Isn't that pretty? That's that, and then that's on the other side. Oops, the other side of the mushrooms. I didn't bring it all with me, but then there's this pretty little flower that coordinates with the stamps, and on the other side is the pretty, what's that green? I'll think of it. Wow, I went completely blank on that. Which green is that? Who knows what green that is? And do you know what green that is? It's the, I think it's an in color. Can't think of it. I don't know what it is. Let's see if it says in here. I'm gonna peek. Oh, I bet it does. Call Me Clover. It's Call Me Clover green. Because that pack of paper has Call Me Clover, Crumb Cake, Early Espresso, Grapefruit Grove, Lemon Lime Twist, Mango Melody, Petal Pink, Pool Party, Poppy Parade, Pumpkin Pie, and Whisper White. So it has a lot of really great colors in it. And so we're gonna use that paper, and we're gonna use Part of My Story, which is also a Celebration offering. So for a $50 order, you can get this guy for free too. I don't know if you can see those or not. There's a funny glare today. So let's get together and giggle. The world needs more people like you. And then the bonus is that every one of these coordinates and fits in a Celebration coordination punch called the Story Label. There it is, without getting there. Isn't that cute? And that is what I used here on this card. There you go. All right, so let's make this. Let me get my stuff all situated here. I'm gonna move you down, so if you get motion sickness, just close your eyes for a second. Let's see what I can do here. I think somebody's been in here playing with my stuff because it's not working exactly the way. All right, I think we're good. Let's see. There. All right, so here we go. It's my pile of paper I got going on here, because I thought maybe we'll do it this time with that paper. I thought that might be fun. And I got some little scrap pieces. So your base is going to be your 5.5 by 4 1/4, and then you have a piece of white that goes on top of that. That's going to be 5 1/4 by 4. And this is just a little scrappy guy, and I brought extras because I couldn't decide what I was doing. And then you have a strip that is 8 inches long, and I think it's 2 3/4, right? Yeah, 2 3/4 wide, 8 inches long, and is essentially going to fold in half because it's going to go over your paper just like that, because then it'll mount like that. Okay, so here's what we're going to do first. I want to go ahead and put some adhesive here. Oops. And I do recommend for this piece, if you have fast fuse, use it, or some tear tape to stick right there, because it's a movable piece. You don't want it popping off or coming apart. So there's how that's going to go. I'm going to go ahead and flip this one over. Oops, it's all gummed up there. Maybe one more. There we go. Oh, it looks like Angela popped in too. Hi, Angela. All right, so there we go. So this is Poppy Parade. This color is Poppy Parade. Then our Whisper White. And then I think we're gonna do the flowers this time, because we did the mushrooms on this one in case you're just popping in. So I think we will. I think we'll do the flowers. They're pretty. And you're just gonna take this. This is like the easiest card ever. Super fast to put together. Like I said, you could do a bunch of these really quick. There we go. So I'm gonna set this aside, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab the stuff for this other one. Since we're here, I might as well just put it together and do both of them. I'm just gonna make sure that I have my paper lined up right. Grab my adhesive. So, now some of you, I know Angela, are you on spring break this week? I don't know if you're Walton or Okaloosa. And then I don't know if they're both on spring break or not. So, so there we go. So we're gonna go ahead and run adhesive here. And like I said, you want to use, you know, like some tear tape, or, you know, if you have fast fuse, it's a great choice because you want it to not be pulling off. It should be okay because we're layering it inside, but you don't want to take any chances and have it all messed up, right? So we'll do, oh, so maybe that green is kind of pretty. Maybe we should do that one like that. But I really like those mushrooms. Gotta use the mushrooms, sorry. You know what they make me think of? They make me think of Mario Party. My son and my husband, well, we all play video games at my house, the Mario stuff, but that's what it makes me think of, is the little toadstool. So let me grab now the punch. And we're going to use, this is the story label punch. And I need 2 of these. And because I know these words all fit on these punches, I can go ahead and punch them out without stamping first. And while I've got the punch out, I'm going to go ahead and also do 2 in Poppy Parade. Just like that. There we go. Put my punch up. Trying not to lose anything today because, you know, that's what I typically do. So I think I'm going to put You're My Chosen Family on one. Stick him out. And then what's the other one we should use? Let's Get Together and Giggle. I know that a friend is thinking of you today. I really like that one, so I think we're going to use those 2. And there I go, pulling out 2 stamps, see if I can't lose one. Let's see. Hi, Jennifer. So I'm just going to go ahead and ink this up. Probably not upside down would be nice. And just hover and press. Oh, that is a really juicy pad. So I didn't forget anything majorly important today, but I did forget my stamp cleaner. I apparently took it out of my bag. So I'm going to attempt to not get Poppy Parade all over my car. I'm going to stamp this one on here. Boop. There we go. And the sound effects do help. If you go bloop, it'll stamp really nice. All right, so then I'm going to grab a pair of scissors because remember in my finished card, this one is layered. And how I did that is I did this on the story label and I did a Poppy Parade one, and then I'm just going to cut it just like that. And then I take my adhesive that is all gummy, ooh, like that, and then I just go, let's see if we can get this the way I want it. Yeah. And then you just line it back up. I like to do one at a time. I thought maybe I would do 2 at a time, but 1 is good. You can also go, I don't know if we'll love it this way, so let's try it. You can also go this way with these punches. You can turn it and have it layer this way. Oh, I don't mind that. I kind of like it. So let's go ahead and do that. So then it'll be different. My adhesive is so sticky, like all gummy. Oh, hey, Miss Ginger. I hope you're feeling better. I saw you weren't feeling good. I'm gonna get that lined up just like that. So this just gives you double duty with your punches. So, you know, you can do these extra little layers and you don't have to be thinking, well, what can I, you know, what will it fit on? I did try it on a circle and on an oval, and it looked really cute on the oval, but I decided to do it this way to show you guys how to use these. So I'm gonna grab my 2 here. We're gonna add these on here. Dimensionals, here we go, dimensionals. And so I want it to hang off. You could totally put it here, but I like it hanging off. So we're only gonna put dimensionals over here, just like this. All right, oops. Make sure that your dimensionals are staying where they need to be. So there's that one. Look at this, we're making 2 cards at once. And we're gonna go like this. I like to put 3 on here, it just makes me feel better. I probably don't need that many, but you know. And then we're gonna put this guy right here, like that. We're gonna grab some Poppy Parade ribbon. I love this ribbon, it is so pretty. This is the, what do they call them? The textured weave ribbon. I'm just gonna wrap it around the bottom here and just tie it in a knot, because knots are so much easier than a bow. And then you won't get as frustrated. Where's my, there they are, in my lap. I'm gonna snip that off, and snip that off. And there you have You Are My Chosen Family, and then it opens up like that. Now I know we're doing the Year of No Naked Innards, but I feel like this is like the inside and outside. I'm thinking maybe we could do like a little flower right up there. So let me set that aside and finish this one up, and maybe we'll do that. We don't want to have a bunch of naked cards, but sometimes, you know, like, because so much of the inside is showing on this one, I didn't want to make it all busy. Let's see, I'm going to snip that ribbon off, just like that. So stinking cute. I think I have, let me look in my little bag of things. Oh, that's tape, not what I'm looking for. These are really cute. They're the little epoxy hearts thing. I don't know if you can see those or not with the glare, but I'm just gonna go ahead and put it right over this other heart that's on the know that a friend is thinking of you. What's great is they come on a clear sheet, so I can hold it over and see how it would look on whichever size. Like on the other one, the first one I did the really small one. This time I'm gonna put it one a little bit bigger. There we go, cute. And on this one, I think we can just put a big one because we have this space right here. And if I had my Stampin' Blends with me, I would color that Poppy Parade, and that would be super cute too. All right, so there we go. Let's grab, I think, oh, I did. I brought a little something to put on the inside just in case. Just in case. Let's grab that. And it's just a little teeny tiny, I don't even know what it is. Like a flower center maybe, or like just a little background piece. I lost my ink pad. Okay, oh, there it is. Ta-da! Found him. And I took this right out of that Painted Seasons. And maybe we'll just add this across the top. Just a little sprinkle. There we go. So at least when you open it up, it's not so naked. There you go. I'm gonna close this up before I stick my hand in it. I'm gonna bring you guys up, so just hang on a second. Hey, Donna Dorton. There we go. All right, so super cute. And then look at this one is in black and white with a butterfly. How cute is that? And then that one, see, it opens up just like that. And I keep doing it wrong. There we go. The camera's over there. But this butterfly right here, that butterfly is from the Butterfly DSP that is in the Celebration selection. And I used our Butterfly Duet Punch just to punch it right out of the paper. So I didn't even have to stamp or color or anything like that. And then it's on, what did I do? I did the Starburst Punch and I think maybe a 2 1/4 inch circle, and just layered it on there. And this paper too is also the butterfly paper right there. So there you go, you guys. That was super quick cards today. I will post the dimensions for you, and if anybody would like to reach out and get some celebration stuff before it ends, because it does end at the end of the month, just let me know. There's some really great stuff still available. Like I said, the papers are available, several stamp sets. I mean, there's lots of good stuff. And then those of you that are coming to the retreat this weekend, I'll see you this weekend. And those of you that aren't, if you want to pop in and say hello to us, we'll be at Warriors Hall on Saturday from 8 to 8. If you didn't sign up, you can't, like hang out and scrapbook and stuff or card make with us, but you can come and say hello and just come and see what we're doing and see, because we are going to do it again in September. So be thinking about that, and I'll be posting more information about it after this retreat, because all of my retreat attendees will get to know all that information first, and get first opportunity to sign up. They are going to have such a good time this weekend because I have so much stuff to give away. I have so much stuff that I've saved and so many projects and so much stuff for you guys to do. Anyway, you guys, thanks for popping in with Cards in the Car, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.